Greetings, teachers. I'm here at Jonestown Primary School, and it's Teachers' Day 2025. Well, we know that the landscape is changing rapidly, and things are quite unsettled in many respects. But we have to show our respect to the teachers of Jamaica, the ones who day to day ensure that our children get the right start towards a brighter future for themselves and their families in adulthood. And it's our teachers who we rely on in many instances, not only to teach, but to nurture and to care for our students. And often they do so without anything in return other than love. But I think respect is also very important. And that's why on a Teacher's Day, we have to reach out and show our respect. So I want to big up all the teachers and say, God bless you. God keep you safe and healthy and continue to do the wonderful work that you do for the children of Jamaica. Thank you.